Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. I hope that you all are good and enjoying our videos. So in this video we will learn that how to make how to add fingerprint on your WhatsApp. Okay. As we know that you all are enjoying our videos, and in this video we will learn that how to add fingerprints on WhatsApp. First of all, you have to download the app WhatsApp from your Play Store and then install it. So then after download and installing this app, you can click on WhatsApp. After that, click on these three dots and then setting, and then go to privacy. Here, after clicking the privacy, you read on this page, and after that you have to click on this fingerprint lock. First of all, for applying the fingerprint on your WhatsApp, you have to enable it. If you don't enable it, then you will not be able to add your fingerprints on your WhatsApp. Okay. Then you enable it. After enabling this, you receive this type of confirmation fingerprint, and now you have to add your fingerprint on put your fingerprint on your fingerprint sensor. Okay, let me show you. After that, if you click on after 30 minutes, then your fingerprint lock will be enabled after 30 minutes. If you click on immediately, then it will be immediately your fingerprint will be added. After that, then go back and you know that we have enabled it, and go back, and now I will show you again. Touch your fingerprint on your fingerprint sensor. So here is our fingerprint is added. In this way you can add your fingerprint on your WhatsApp. This is an easy way to secure your WhatsApp.